Today, I'm going to show you how to add a collaborator on Instagram after you've already posted a photo or video, step by step. First, launch the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Then, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. From there, choose the post you want to add a collaborator to. Once you have the post open, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post and select Edit from the menu that appears. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your post or video. You'll see an icon labeled Tag People. Tap on it. Inside this section, select Invite Collaborators. Then, search for the username of the person you want to collaborate with. Once you've found the right account, select it. And when you're done, tap Done to confirm. After completing these steps, your collaborator will be added to the post, and it will appear on both of your profiles, making it easier to share content together and reach a larger audience.